Hey, hey, you already know what's cooking. Some delicious Irish chicken pasta. Look at that. First, I am cleaning my chicken breast, deboning and cutting off all the skin and unwanted stuff. Then I am cutting it into cubes. Adding some garlic powder, black pepper, Maggi seasoning, some jerk seasoning, little bit of curry to add some spice. Then I rub in that seasoning. Peel in some Irish potato, cut them up into cubes. Guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Now I'm adding a little bit of olive oil to the pot. Adding my chicken. Right after adding the chicken, I'm adding my potatoes. Adding some pasta to a pot to boil. Give that a little stir. I am cutting up some vegetables, carrots, still cooking the Irish and chicken, adding some coconut milk, that's how it's looking, and the coconut milk will serve as a sauce to combine the pasta and everything together. And that's it, cooking away. Now my carrot cut up, me shred some garlic right here, so sweet pepper, some onion, tomato, a little piece of thyme, this is how it's looking. My pasta is cooking nicely. Now I'm adding my carrot, thyme, garlic, sweet pepper, onion. Adding a little bit of the pasta water back to the pot. Adding a little brown sugar. Now I add in my tomato at the last minute. Give it a stir. Look at that gravy. Add in my pasta and combine everything, and the dinner is ready. Quick and easy. Beautiful, tasty.